Hey YouTube guys and gals, it's been a long time since I've done a video, so I hope that you enjoy this next segment, 2015, coming to a close. It's December 1st, 10:26 p.m. and I figured since most of you all like my burps, I would slam a beer and do another video. So here goes. Nice and cold, so it's probably gonna suck going down. So here we go. And the noise you hear in my background is my Skype call going on. I told them that they could be a part of this too, so enjoy.
If Apple gets rid of the iPhone jack, that's gonna be millions by Wanda. There's a very old man and a very old woman.
Hold on, I think I got one. That was one. Let's see if I can get another one with the rest of this beer. That was not me this time, because you saw me drinking. That was Greg in my Skype call. He burps too. Oh, that was shit. Let me try again.
AT&T is increasing their price of limited data from $5 to
Done.
YouTube video shows how to break a massive
Well, that's all, folks. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, keep it positive, and I'll see you next time. Live long and prosper.